Let's learn 11 domestic animals. 11 wild animals. And 7 pet birds. Let's start from 11 domestic animals. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Ox, O-X, ox. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Let's learn 11 wild animals. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Antelope, A-N-T-E-L-O-P-E, antelope. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Finally, let's learn 7 pet birds. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Cock, C-O-C-K, cock or rooster. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Thank you.